Good evening. Today we are going to discuss the exercise 4.3 of worksheet 12 maths. So the question one here was that here are two different factor trees of the number 90. We have to write the missing numbers. So according this was the factor tree, these two. So the first one here, it is 10 nines are 90, and now we have to divide 2 by 10. Then only we'll get the missing number over here, and 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. And then divide 9 by 3, it will be 3. So this was the answer of the first one. 10 nines are 90, 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. 5 and 3 were the answers in the missing number. Now in the second one, divide 45 and 90. We'll get 45 2s are, means 2. 2 will be here. And then divide 15 and 45. It will be 3. And now we'll write over here 5 3s or 3 5s are, one and the same thing. Either we can write 3 5s are 15, or we can write 5 3s are 15. So I'm writing 3 5s are. So this was the answer of solution 1. Now solution 2 was, we have to find the prime factorization of the following numbers. So the prime factorization over here of 72 is 2 divided by 72 is 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. And 3 divided by 9 is equals to 3. And 3 ones are 3. So 72 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This was the prime factorization and the answer of the first part. And now the second one is 172. 2 divided by 172, 86. And 2 divided by 86 is equals to 43. And now as 43 is a prime number, we'll divide it by itself. Means 43. 43 divided by 43, 1. So the answer is 172 is equals to 2 into 2 into 43. The rest of the numbers are easy, so you can do it at your home. So the solution 3 here now is, write the smallest and the greatest 3-digit number and express them as the product of prime. Now the smallest 3-digit number is 100. And the greatest 3-digit number is 999. So they have told that express them as a product of prime. To express them as the product of prime, we have to simply just do the prime factorization of these both numbers. Now the prime factorization of 100 will be 2 divided by 100 is 50. 50 and 2, it will be 25. Now it will not further go with 2, so we'll just start with 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. So 100 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. This is the answer. And in 999, here we'll see that 3 3s are 9. We'll just 333. And then afterwards, then we'll write 111 or 111. And then after dividing from 3, then we'll divide it again by 3, then it will be coming 37. 37 ones are 37. As 37 is a prime number, we are using 37. So 999 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 37. And now the solution 4. The solution 4 or the question 4 is write the smallest pi digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. So here also same. The smallest pi digit number is 10,000. So for that, we'll just simply do the prime factorization of this. And 2 divided by 10,000 is 5,000. 2 divided by 5,000 is 2,500. And then it will be 1250, and then so on. We'll divide it. And when we get to the final, it will be the answer as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now question 5 is first 4 prime numbers. So they are actually asked that and the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find it? We have to find the smallest number which is having 4 different prime factors. So here then, it's very easy. This sum is very easy. So simply we have to check which were the first 4 prime numbers. First 4 prime numbers. 2 and 3 and 5 and 7. So now product of these prime numbers is 210. Simply 210 is the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So 210 was the answer. Thank you.